नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल आर हैप्पी एंड सेफ इन हाउस, स्टडिंग वेल? गुड चिल्ड्रन, स्टडी वेल, write your homework neat and clean. Okay, so before starting the class, what we are doing? We will go for one line Hindi speaking sentence. Okay, one line Hindi speaking sentence we will go. So today what we will learn? We will learn तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तुम और आप क्या कर रहे हो means what are you doing? What are you doing? What you will reply if someone is asking what are you doing? In English how we will say? I am studying, I am acting, I am singing, I am eating or sleeping, right? In Hindi also you have to say मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं गाना गा रहा हूँ और मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. आई एम ईटिंग फूड और आई एम सिंगिंग. मैं गाना गा रहा हूँ. सो आप क्या कर रहे हो और तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? I am singing. I am singing. मैं गाना गा रहा हूँ. I am studying. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. Okay children? Okay. So today we will start our new lesson. वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे? वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे? What was that day? Okay? How was that day? Someone is remembering that old time days. So we'll start the lesson. Today we will start our new lesson, lesson 8. What is the lesson name? वे दिन भी क्या दिन थे? वे दिन भी क्या दिन थे? How was that days? Okay? Just someone is remembering. Okay? And this story is based on nowadays what life you are living now, that is perfect for this lesson. Okay, this lesson and nowadays our school life is matching, so this is a good example to understand this lesson for you. Okay, you can see the screen. What is the screen? All you know, this is a classroom. All students, they are sitting and studying, smiling, writing. Okay, on board some activity is there, how it is done in your classroom. Okay, but suddenly what happened? Your life were normal. Daily morning you will get up, you will come, you will get ready, you will come to school, you will study, and what will happen? Teacher will teach you, you will get the homework, and you will go house, you will do homework, and next day again you will come. That was your life, na? 2 years before. But suddenly what happened? Corona came. Everything is closed, and now we are doing our online class. Okay, through internet we are studying our Zoom class and online video. You will see the story is about that only. Okay, like 50 year or 100 year before, how was the life? Suppose now you are old. Okay, you have grown up, you have finished your education, and now your children are there. Like this only in this story is there. Okay, modern children is there, like you people are there, you have never been to school, you know only online classes. Okay, so in this story there is a girl. Okay, her name is Kumi. What is her name? Kumi. And there is a boy. What is his name? Rohit. So I will show you 2 pictures. You can see the picture here. One regular classroom is there. Children are studying. Okay. Here also some children, they are studying in classroom. Now what happened? Corona came and everything become online. Suppose this screen you can see, this is your Zoom classes. Okay, this is your Zoom classes. All students are there and teacher is there. Online you are studying. Okay, online. Some people will read on laptop, someone is on mobile, what is available. Okay, so in this lesson there is a difference. If children don't know about how is school life, and if I am saying school will be like this, so people who has never been to school, only online classes they have done, they will be surprised that, oh my god, this type of life is there, how it could be. Okay, in this lesson we will read. So I will read the book and I will translate to you. घटना महत्वपूर्ण थी, वरना कुम्मी अपनी डायरी में उसे क्यों लिखती. कुम्मी is a girl in this lesson and someone is saying that was an important incident, otherwise why कुम्मी will write in her diary. अपनी डायरी में उसने 17 मई 2155 की रात को लिखा. कुम्मी is a girl. 17 May 2155 means 55 year before. How will be the 55 years after, what will be the life. Okay, आज रोहित को सचमुच की एक पुस्तक मिली. कुम्मी इज राइटिंग इन हर डायरी, टुडे रोहित गॉट अ बुक. वह पुस्तक बहुत पुरानी थी. दैट बुक वॉज वेरी ओल्ड. कुम्मी के दादा ने बताया था कि जब वे बहुत छोटे थे तब उनके दादा ने कहा था कि उनके ज़माने में सारी कहानियाँ कागज़ पर छपती थीं और पढ़ी जाती थीं. सो कुम्मी इज़ राइटिंग, her grandfather told in his time when he was studying, all stories and everything, it was printed on the book. पुस्तकों में पृष्ठ होते थे and in that book there are many pages जिन पर कहानियाँ लिखी होती थीं and on that lot of stories were there. और हर पृष्ठ पढ़ने के पश्चात दूसरा पृष्ठ पलट कर आगे पढ़ना होता था. एंड व्हेन वन पेज विल फिनिश, यू हैव टू टर्न द पेज एंड यू हैव टू रीड अनदर पेज. सारे शब्द स्थिर रहते थे. ऑल लेटर्स वॉज स्टेबल, चलते नहीं थे जैसे आजकल पर्दे पर चलते हैं. लेटर्स वेर नॉट मूविंग लाइक हाउ ऑनलाइन नाउअडेज वी आर स्टडिंग. कितनी पुस्तकें बेकार जाती होंगी, रोहित ने कहा था कितनी पुस्तकें बेकार जाती होंगी. सो रोहित टोल्ड हाउ मेनी बुक्स विल बी वेस्टेड. एक बार पढ़ी और बेकार हो गई. वन राउंड यू हैव रीड एंड दैट बुक इज वेस्ट. अब तो हमारे टेलीविज़न के पर्दे पर न जाने कितनी पुस्तकें और सामग्री आ जाती हैं. नाउअडेज ऑनलाइन इन वन क्लिक ओनली, all type of information and worksheet, pictures, everything is coming in a clip. फिर भी यह पुस्तक नई की नई रहती है. and how many time you will read, that will be new only. there is no wasted in online classes. रोहित is saying. कुम्मी ने भी रोहित की हाँ में हाँ मिलाई and कुम्मी also was agree with रोहित. फिर पूछा तुम्हें वह पुस्तक कहाँ मिली. but she is asking with रोहित, where did you got that book. रोहित ने बताया अपने घर में एक पुराना डिब्बा कहीं दबा पड़ा था. इन माई हाउस देयर वॉज अ ओल्ड बॉक्स. एवरीवन वाज थ्रोइंग, फेंक रहे थे, उसमें यह पुस्तक मिली. एंड वी आर थ्रोइंग द ओल्ड थिंग्स, इन दैट ओनली आई गॉट दिस बुक. इसमें क्या लिखा है, व्हाट हैज़ रिटन इन दैट. स्कूल के बारे में लिखा है. रोहित इज सेइंग अबाउट द स्कूल, इट्स रिटन देयर. स्कूल, कुम्मी ने प्रश्न किया. कुम्मी टोल्ड अबाउट द स्कूल. उसके विषय में लिखने को ही क्या है, व्हाट स्पेशल इन दैट टू राइट अबाउट द स्कूल. हर विद्यार्थी के घर पर एक मशीन होती है. एवरी स्टूडेंट इज हैविंग अ मशीन, जिसमें टेलीविज़न की तरह एक पर्दा होता है. ओके, लाइक शी इज सेइंग अबाउट अ लैपटॉप. ओके, every house there is a laptop, there is a screen, and daily basis you have to sit in front of that. Teacher will come and she will teach you. Like Kummi is talking about this life. There is a laptop, there is a mobile, message will come, like your mummy will say your message has come, this is your class time, how online classes you are doing. She is saying, so what is special to write there. Okay, so letter Rohit is saying no. In that book it's written there, that time school were different. So now he is saying, like, now how is the school after 55 years? Maybe school will not be there, everything will be online. So just they are saying about that. No, like how will be school? There is a building, lot of teacher will be there, all student will go there and they will study, books will be there. Okay, for different subject different teacher will come, she will teach and she will give the homework. Face to face you can talk. In that book, like today how we are all studying na, 2 years before how you are studying, they have discussed that type of school. So you know children, see slowly things is going online. So children, see slowly everything is going internet, online. Like our shopping we can do online, we can purchase the vegetable online, we can give food online, and now our education also start online. Slowly what will happen, like see, maybe ad you have seen na, Baju is there and some other sites is there where you can do some courses online. Lot of different courses is there online you can do. So slowly school will finish. Just there imagine. Okay, everything will be online. What course you want to do, you have to register yourself and you will study, and through online only you will get the certificate. Okay, you will get the certificate. But beginning it was not like that. So in this lesson they are discussing about how will be the life. In that book it is written there, you have to go in a building, teacher is there, homework is there. But in online classes it is not there, lot of student is there. Then Kummi is saying, that time if lot of student will be there, life will be very good, we can play, we can talk. But now in online classes we are sitting in front of boring computer, we can't talk, there is no physical activity. That life maybe it will be very good. These two children, they are talking about this story. So this is the story about a online school, online classes and going to school and studying there with direct with teacher and book. Okay children, so what kind of education you like? You like online classes or you want to go to school and go to school and study? Okay, next we will go for word meaning. Ghatna, ghatna. Ghatna means event or incident. INCIDENT. Incident or event. EVENT. Purani, old. Purani means old. OLD. Kahani. Kahani means stories. STORIES. Stories means many stories and story means one story. Kahani, kahaniyan. Chhapti. Chhapti means print. PRINT. Book will be printed na, then only you can read. So chhapti. Chhapti means print. Pristh. Pristh means page. 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 Page means pristh. Ubau. Ubau means boring. BOARING. Boring. Ubau. Sadiyon. Sadiyon means centuries. Sadiyon means centuries. CENTURIES. Bhugol. Bhugol means geography. Bhugol means geography. There is a subject. GEOGRAPHY. Geography. Gati. Gati means speed. 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 Speed means gati. Dhimi. Dhimi means slow. 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 Dhimi. Asha. Asha means hope. 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 Hope means Asha. Vishay. Vishay means subject. 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 Subject means Vishay. Like different subject you are studying na? History, EVS, social, math, English. all are known as a विषय. Next we will go for subject name in Hindi. Different subjects in Hindi, how we will pronounce, what we will say. Subjects in Hindi. अंग्रेजी. अंग्रेजी means English. English subject in Hindi, what we will say? अंग्रेजी. गणित. 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 गणित means mathematics. गणित means mathematics. इतिहास. इतिहास means history. 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 भूगोल. भूगोल means geography. 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 भूगोल. विज्ञान. विज्ञान means science. 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 science means विज्ञान. हिंदी. हिंदी, in Hindi also we will say Hindi. So this was your subject name in Hindi. अंग्रेजी English. गणित mathematics. इतिहास history. भूगोल geography. विज्ञान science. And Hindi will be Hindi. Now we will say, like in this story they told after 50 years how will be the life, like school life. Same thing in your exercise they told, go and check what is the present or things value is there. 20 years before what was the price? Okay, 20 years before, like your mummy time, when your mummy was young, what was the same price thing? Okay, so little I have written for you. Aloo. Aloo means potato. Aloo means potato. So now potato, what is the price? Somewhere 40 rupee you will get it, 35 rupee, 40 rupee, and if you will go to mall or somewhere 50 rupee also you will get it. Okay, a very good quality of potato you will get 50 rupee at present. But 20 years before what was the price for potato? 10 rupee. So you see how much changes is there na? 20 years before potato was 10 rupee kg, now it's become 50 rupee kg. Same thing. Dal. Dal means purple. Now dal price is 110 rupee per kg. 1 kg dal is 110 rupee. So 20 years before what was the price? 30 rupee. 30 rupee kg dal was there. Now 110 rupee is there. Laddu. You all love laddu na? At present what is the laddu price? 400 or 450 rupee kg you will get the laddu. 20 years before what was the laddu price? 60 rupee. What was the laddu price? 60 rupee. Chawal. Chawal means rice. At present what is the rice price? 50 rupee 1 kg. 20 years before what was the rice price? 10 rupee kg. Shakkar. Sugar. Now sugar price is 50 rupee kg. 20 years before what was that? 10 rupee. Milk price, now we are getting 45 or 50 rupee liter. 1 liter milk is 45 or 50 rupee liter. 20 years before what was the price? 10 rupee liter. So see the differences, how price has gone high. Next we will go for question answer. कुम्मी के हाथ जो किताब आई थी वह कब छपी होगी? कुम्मी got one book. They are asking when that book has print out, means when they have printed that book, how old it could be. So कुम्मी के हाथ में जो किताब आई वह 1967 में छपी हुई थी. That book was printed on 1967. This will be your answer. कौन सी पढ़ाई तुम्हें पसंद है, ऑनलाइन और स्कूल जाकर? विच टाइप ऑफ स्टडी यू लाइक? यू वांट टू गो टू स्कूल एंड स्टडी और यू वांट टू डू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस? सो You can answer anything what you like, but I feel मुझे स्कूल जाकर पढ़ाई करना अच्छा लगता है. I love to go to school and study. Okay, because in school teacher will be there, lot of student will be there, you can talk to them, you can play there, lot of activities there. In house only one place you have to sit and you have to study. So I love to go to school and study. तुम मशीन से पढ़ना चाहोगे या अध्यापक की मदद से? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. यू वांट टू स्टडी विद लैपटॉप, ऑनलाइन क्लासेज और विद टीचर? हाउ यू वांट टू स्टडी? ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? यू कैन राइट योर आंसर बाय योर ओन आल्सो. मैं अध्यापक की मदद से पढ़ना चाहूँगा और पढ़ना चाहूँगी. सो आई हैव रिटन फॉर यू, आई लव टू study with the help of teacher instead of online. Okay, instead of online you want to study with the help of teacher. Okay children, so this was your lesson 8. वे दिन भी क्या दिन थे. We have seen the picture about online classes and classroom, and I told you a small story about a book. Who is there in the story? There are two characters, Kummi and Rohit. They got one old book and they are saying how will be the school. In this lesson they have discussed about the school life and online classes. Okay, next we have read word meaning, subject's name in Hindi and question answer. Okay children, so this will be your 3 assignment. Your question answer, word meaning and subject's name in Hindi. See the video proper and write the homework neat and clean and submit on time. Thank you children. Have a good day.